I paint a lot of portraits, but it still scares the life out of me when I put the first blob of paint on my beautiful art piece. And when I make mistakes, there is no undo button, is there? So here's a few things you can avoid. Number one has got to be muddy skin tones. Before starting to paint, swatch your colors on a piece of paper to ensure the skin tone matches. That'll help you understand how colors appear on paper and improve your artwork. And number two is overdoing your work. I know you feel the desire to change and fix your mistakes, but a quick stroke may ruin it all that you worked hard for. It's better to leave the art, take a break, and come back to it afterwards with a fresh eye. Number three is too much water. I personally apply a little too much water on my sketchbook, and finding the right amount of water for a medium takes you a step forward in mastering it. You can refer to websites online to know more about your medium, which makes up the fourth point. Knowing your colors and paint medium. Swatch all the colors on a page and you'll understand your colors way better. Read or watch tutorials on how to work with your medium, and once you know the rules, you can start breaking them. After all, it's not just about replicating a portrait, it's about understanding yourself and how you perceive things, how you paint them. Start small but aim big, and trust me, you'll enjoy it.